Yo, what's up, fam? Ever been scrolling through your feed and felt that nagging fear, like there's something huge happening that you're missing? That, my friends, is FOMO, and it's no joke. Today, we're ripping the curtain off social media's ultimate FOMO factory. No cap, you're about to learn how these platforms engineered that constant urge to keep you hooked, pushing dopamine hits with every swipe. Let's break it down. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. It's that unsettling feeling that you could be missing the next big thing, a party, a viral meme, a life-changing deal, or even an epic moment shared by your friends. Social media has turned this everyday anxiety into a full-blown industry. Every scroll, every ping is meticulously designed to make you believe that if you blink, life's best moments will pass you by. Now check this out. Social media giants know exactly how to keep your brain on overdrive. They employ algorithms that bombard you with content, whether it's trending videos, eye-catching graphics, or your friends' endless updates. The moment you see that notification, your brain releases a shot of dopamine, making you feel good even if it's just for a split second. This engineered rush transforms you into a captive audience, hooked on every new post like it's survival. Let's get real for a minute. FOMO isn't just marketing fluff. It taps into deep psychological triggers. Humans are social creatures wired for connection and belonging. When you see everyone around you engaged in something, your instinct screams, "I must be part of this." This response is not just emotional, it's biological. Our brains are hardwired to seek reward and avoid loss. And when every notification signals a potential reward, you end up chasing an endless mirage. Think about it. How many times have you checked your phone during dinner or felt that sinking feeling when you see a post about a wild party? You're not alone. Across the globe, people are falling victim to the continuous lure of social media. I've seen it happen. Friends skipping out on real-life moments just to live vicariously through curated feeds. It's a modern epidemic where genuine experiences are sacrificed for the fleeting thrill of virtual connection. Ever wondered why you can't stop scrolling, even when you know deep down that you're getting nowhere? It's no accident. Social media platforms have mastered the art of exploitation. They craft endless streams of content using data, psychological profiling, and endless A/B testing to find what clicks with you the most. The design is simple yet diabolical, a never-ending scroll, each item optimized to trigger a reaction, keeping you locked in a loop. And the worst part? You rarely realize it's happening until you're already in too deep. Behind the scenes, there's a whole industry built on your constant need to stay connected. Advertisers and marketers exploit every single moment of doubt and desire you experience. They sell you an endless dream, an illusion that every click brings you closer to fulfillment. Whether it's the latest gadget, fashion trend, or even a lifestyle upgrade, everything is marketed as a must-have, making you believe that missing out is not an option. This is the ultimate hustle, where your emotions are the product and your attention is the currency. Let's talk about the emotional toll. The constant barrage of notifications and trending topics creates an emotional roller coaster. Exhilaration, followed by anxiety and self-doubt. This volatile mix not only keeps you scrolling, but also leaves you exhausted and unsatisfied. It's like eating junk food for your brain, a temporary sugar rush followed by a deep crash. And the more you indulge, the harder it becomes to break free from the cycle. But here's the real talk. You can break free from this digital trap. It starts with awareness. Recognize that every notification or trending post isn't a life or death event. It's just another piece of data designed to keep you hooked. Experiment with digital detoxes, set boundaries for your screen time, and learn to savor the offline world. Embrace a life where every moment is yours, not dictated by algorithms or sponsored trends. Remember, real freedom comes when you take back control. So there you have it. Welcome to the FOMO factory, where clicks and likes aren't just numbers. They're the chains that bind you. But here's the deal. You hold the power to change the game. Next time you feel that urge to scroll endlessly, remember you're more than just a consumer. You're a rebel with a cause. Smash that like button if you're ready to take control. Hit subscribe for more unfiltered truth and drop a comment sharing your own battle with FOMO. Stay real, stay savage, and always keep it 100.